Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge icing, only way. Start by melting 1 cup butter and 3 cups chocolate chips over low heat, stirring until smooth. Remove from heat, whisk in 2 cups powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla, then cool slightly before spreading. Use a heavy saucepan for even heat and taste a tiny bit to adjust sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon milk if needed. Gather all ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Measure 1 cup butter, 3 cups chocolate chips, 2 cups powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla so you can move quickly. A heavy saucepan and a heat-proof bowl for double boiling work best. Keep a whisk and spatula nearby, and set a timer when melting to avoid scorching the chocolate during the process. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it's helping you. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them while baking because they keep me comfortable during long prep times. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Melt chocolate slowly and whisk constantly to achieve a silky texture without burning or seizing. Once smooth, remove from heat and incorporate powdered sugar gradually to avoid lumps while keeping things glossy. Stir in vanilla and adjust texture with 1 tablespoon milk if you want a spreadable glaze, or chill to thicken for piping. Taste and tweak sweetness carefully, and always cool slightly before applying to warm or hot cakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.